Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. So, it is the beginning of October, and in the United States, that means the season of holidays is coming ever closer. In my career, at one point, I taught in a private Catholic school. However, I still strived to acknowledge other faiths and belief systems when I taught my students. I thought I was fairly affirming of various belief systems. However, when I transitioned to working in an elementary school and teaching technology skills, I was excited to share digital Halloween activities during the month of October. After sharing these activities, I was told a fact about some students that surprised me. Some students do not celebrate Halloween. From my own background and perspective, this celebration to me did not have any religious connotations, but what I had overlooked were the cultural connotations. As a result, I adjusted my lessons to offer both Halloween themed digital activities and autumnal, basically fall themed activities. I made this adjustment so all of the students could participate in a way that made them feel safe and welcome. This experience reminded me of my own cultural blind spots. When I work with students now, I strive to focus more on seasonal changes for themed activities rather than specific holidays. However, I think it is also important to recognize the celebrations that may not be advertised in commercial establishments. That is another story, though, that I will share with you at a later time. For now, if you plan on making activities themed to events in the year, I recommend remembering that everyone celebrates special times of the year with their own traditions. Till next time, I hope the start of fall in the United States brings you joy.